I got snacks. Time for a road trip. So I have an i4 this week for range testing. It's my first EV or extended time in an EV, so I'm really excited to test it out. Been really enjoying it. Going to do some range testing, starting off with a long range from Seattle to the Canadian border, 235 miles. Let's see if I make it. Okay, we're now topped up to 100%. I got some snacks. I got some coffee, went to the bathroom. I'm ready to start driving. Fingers crossed this all works out. I would hate to waste all this time and not have something go right here. So, wish me luck. Hey, Beamer. Navigate to Peace Arch Park. It's a sunny day in Seattle, so of course there's traffic. Wish I was driving up into the mountains right now. This traffic sucks. I don't think people realize how hard it is to do these videos, because not only do I have to safely drive this i4, but I have to operate multiple cameras and think about what I'm trying to say. So 20 miles of traffic does not help me out. Thankfully, I have gotten out of Seattle, so I can actually start thinking and talking to the camera a little bit more. Range is looking good though. This might be just the perfect round trip test. So we'll see. Okay, I was getting a little nervous as when I took off it said I'd reach the halfway point at 48% and I headed into straight traffic. But we're now out of traffic and it's showing I have 54% range to the halfway point. So feeling a little better. But we have some hills too, so we'll see how things go. Maybe I just need to have some snacks. Lots of anxiety going on here. Maybe shouldn't have had that energy drink and coffee. So what's up, Canada? Can't cross the border, but that's it. Just me driving around in circles over and over and over again to get positioning just right to talk to a camera. Again. Nothing weird here. So weird shooting by myself, but so happy I don't care what other people think anymore. So turn around, pull up, start talking. I think I hit my cue. Never fails. Try to get one more clip recorded and car alarms and motorcycles. All you gotta do is hit a record button and noise will happen. So thankful that this has Driver Assist Plus. Makes things so much easier. That was me now. Sit here and eat my jelly beans, which I should probably stop eating. It's my jelly bean holder. A lot more traffic, and I realized I made a mistake. One thing I wanted to do was not only test the range, but also the quick charging DC fast charge time. I'm just such a newbie out of all of this. I found the DC fast charge and I was like, okay, we're good to go. I didn't check its charge rate. It's a 125 kilowatt charger. There's only a few 150s and like 2 350s in the Seattle area, and this needs a 180 for its quick charge. So it's not going to do it, but it's better than nothing, I guess. I'm getting really tired. I've been driving for like 5 hours. Like another hour to go. Oh, this has been a long day. Finally rolling back into Seattle at almost 8 o'clock. Wow. Thank God for driver assistance. Wasn't I just here? Ah, the things I do for content. Okay, the long distance range test went much better than I expected. I was hoping it would be kind of close to the limit, but really I had like 20, 30 miles extra range beyond what was the EPA expected. So, oh well, not as exciting as what I was hoping for, but I think it'll still be pretty good. So I ran to the storage unit, grabbed my bike rack, which you can see back there, and I'm gonna throw my mountain bike and the rooftop box on and see how that affects range. And to simulate having a passenger in the car, off-road tire will do. The hatchback design is so great. I mean, it easily fits my 2 big off-road tires for my Land Rover. This would be a great daily driver. If this rack idea doesn't work out, I don't know what I'm going to do. But it does require some small modifications. Hell yeah, I think this is gonna work. Well, as you can see, I got the bike rack to work, so it's off for another range test. Made it all the way to Bellingham. Time for a little impromptu photo shoot with some graffiti. Time to get back on the road if I'm ever going to get this range test done. All that's left is the outro, but I needed a little reward for driving almost 500 miles this week. I haven't had these in forever. I'm all set up in my garage with a couple of lights, so not sure how this is going to turn out, but it's just a dumb idea. Well, spoiler alert. So This entire week, I've been basing everything off of the EPA rating of 235 miles. I found out last night when I'm filming the ending for 2024, it's more efficient and has a range of 252 miles. I didn't find that on the BMW media website. Not 235, 252. I'm now going to have to go through and fix everything in VO.